Hello everyone. This is Protractor Sanskruti. RCKW presents सवाल जवाब में मैं आपकी होस्ट संस्कृति आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि आज का अपना पहला कंटेस्टेंट कौन है। लेट्स सी आज किसके ज्ञान का इम्तिहान होगा। Now this projector is gonna go for 10 days, which will include 10 questions and 10 finalists, from which one would be the winner. So now you can comment that you want to play. Let's see who wants to play. Okay. Okay, so Protractor Bamin wants to play. Hello, Maman. Am I audible? Hello. Hello, Vaman.
Just a minute.
Yeah. Hello. Yes, you are.
So, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. Work from home and stuff. That's all. Nothing
How is
special.
lockdown going?
Lockdown, that's trying new things in life and work from home. That the stuff remains same.
Okay, so have you ever played any quiz competition before?
No, not yet.
So this is your first one.
Yes,
Are you confident?
I'm pretty confident, but let's see what question you ask. That depends.
Okay, so let's not waste time and see questions.
Okay.
So here is your first question. Are you able to see?
Yes.
Okay. Before starting, I wanted to tell you rules of this game. So you'll get 3 lifelines. First is audience
Okay.
poll, second is 50-50, and third is if the question is very difficult for you, you can skip it, and I'll replace it with another question.
Okay, fine. No worries.
And you will get 30 seconds to answer each question.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and if you're not able to answer, then you would be not playing henceforth.
Okay, fine. No worries.
So let's start.
Yes.
So here's your first question. Which medicine was supplied by India to United States of America and Brazil for treatment of coronavirus? So your first option is paracetamol, second is ranitidine, third is hydroxy chloroquine, and D is aspirin. And your time starts now. The white line there
Answer is
is
C.
just a
Answer
second.
is
I have
C.
not started with the timer.
It's a very logical question which is going on in today's world.
I know it is too recent.
Okay, fine. You can start the time.
Yeah, I'm starting it. Okay, it started. Are you
So
able
my
to see
answer
the
is
green?
C.
Are you
Yes, yes.
sure?
Yes, yes, 100%.
Should I lock it down?
Yes, yes.
Okay, lock किया जाए. And let's check your answer. Is it right? So your answer is, yeah, you have given a right answer. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, before going to next question, one question I wanted to ask, but that is not in this PPT.
Okay.
That is a personal question. Ki, what are you missing in this lockdown the most?
What missing means like
Like
I
it could
have
be
many things
anything,
like
food, yeah, anything.
weekend, obviously.
It's holiday going on. You're
I
not
can't go
making,
out like
that is the prime problem. But you're not missing any food, especially
no, the food which I'm missing that I'm trying at home. So not
that major missing. Oh, good, good. Okay, let's proceed to next question.
okay.
Uh, Okay, so your second question is here. Okay, in which area of Pakistan did India conducted airstrike in relation of Pulwama attack? Your first option is Rawalpindi, Islamabad. Third is KPK and Balkot. D is Lahore. And your time starts now.
I think my answer is C. Because the Pulwama attack, it was done during February time, and first it was done in KPK and Balakot.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes,
Should I lock it down?
yes, yes.
Okay, let's check it is right or not. And it is a right answer. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, I wanted to ask one thing. Ki you are a road tractor, right?
Yes,
So would you like to share your road track journey?
my road track journey is pretty like it will take a very like it will take a long time.
Ah,
So I
we
don't
have
think
time.
like yes, so that's what like once we can finish with this quiz, like I will be comfortable to share whatever the things you are asking for.
Okay, no problem. So should we proceed to next question?
Yes, yes. Means I want to say like if we are going with the quiz, just don't break the link with that. So let's finish
I
that
just
first.
wanted to have a little interaction also.
Okay, okay, fine. No
The
worries.
audience will
It's
get bored
it, it,
now.
it's up to you.
Yeah, obviously the host. I hope you're not bored.
No.
Okay, so I'll proceed with your third question. So here's your question. I hope you would like old songs and listen to music. I hope you love listening
Like
song.
yeah, but not too much old. But let's give a try for that.
Okay, so your question is on that only. So your question three is complete the line of this song जिंदगी की यही रीत है. So option A is डर डर के आगे जीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है, तू ही तो मेरी मनमीत है. And D is जिंदगी प्यार का गीत है. And your time starts now.
I would like to use Lifeline for this.
Okay, which one you would?
This audience poll if you are having maximum.
Yeah, we have audience poll also. Okay, so now I'm turning on commenting section. So it's up to you, audience. You have turn on. So here's the question for audience, and audience time starts now. Come on, audience, help him.
Option is B.
Everyone is going with B. So what do you think?
B.
पक्का लॉक कर दिया जाए?
Yes.
पक्का?
Yes, B.
Let's go. Okay, let's check the answer. And it's B.
Thank you,
Congratulations,
audience. Thank you so
audience.
much.
Okay, so you're done with your first lifeline. Now you have only 2 lifelines.
Okay.
So now how are you feeling going through this question? Are they too hard?
No, not too hard. Like I am experiencing every kind of stage, like old ones, medium ones, recent ones.
Okay, actually it was my farmaish. Can you just sing that song if you know?
Oh
A
no, no.
bit, a
I'm
bit,
very bad.
a bit if you know. Or any other song which you love.
No, I'm very bad in
Okay, let's check
like
if you want to hear. Audience, do you want to
wo-
hear a song from him?
no, no, no.
Yes.
No.
I don't know
I'm
about
very bad.
audience. Go Vaman, see. Everyone wants to hear.
No, I'm very bad in singing and I don't much
It's okay. No
listen
one
to
is
song.
perfect. Every audience is saying, go Vaman, go Vaman. Come on.
Like I will sing only 2 to 3
Huh?
lines,
No
okay?
problem. No problem.
It's just a English song, 2 to 3 lines.
No problem. Audience here are very intelligent.
There she goes like a shooting star with a mighty shape like a rock guitar. There she goes like a shooting star. Make you wanna pray, make their boys them stay. Oh 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 oh. That's all first time I tried.
That's very good. Good try.
Thanks, thanks.
Okay, let's start. I'm turning off the comment now because they are telling the host to sing. Sorry. Okay, so moving toward your fourth question. So you have successfully completed 3 questions.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So it's fourth. In terms of land area, what is the largest country in the world? Are you able to see?
Yes, yes.
Okay. In terms of land area, what is the largest country in the world? Option A, Russia. Option B, India. Option C, Poland. Option D, South America. And your time starts now.
Option A, Russia. Anytime.
Sure,
Yes, yes.
100%.
Because yes, it has largest kilometer square.
Okay, let's ask our audience what are their opinions. Guys, answer this. Anyone would know the answer of this? A. One support Vaman.
No, I am
A.
pretty sure with like it's A
Oh,
only.
let's check our public gyan also, right? A. Everyone with A. Okay, I got one D also. Okay. So audience are also Gyani. Okay, everyone is going with A, so lock कर दिया जाए.
A. Russia.
Okay, let's check the answer. It's Russia. Congratulations. Thank you, audience. There's also a
Yes,
short summary.
because
I can read it out if
because
you want.
what I have read about this is like Russia is like it is somewhere around 18 to 19 lakhs kilometer square. So it is one of the biggest land, and
Oh,
it is followed by Canada and China, where Canada and China like they both are like in 8 to 9 lakhs something.
yeah, it seems you are very good in geography in school times.
No,
Good, good. I think you must be the topper.
no, no,
Having
no,
that
no, no.
detailed information is rare.
No.
That too in geography, yucks.
Studies and me, sorry.
Still, you're going good. So, do you watch TV serials? Like, do you
No,
like it?
I I don't get so much time to watch TV serials.
Any movies? Yeah, some favorite movies. And
No, because I am already like get bored in job for 5 days. So just on Saturday, Sunday, I enjoy my life. So
okay,
there is
so
no
you're
such.
telling a lot about your job. Let me know what you do. Tell me something about you.
See, I am working in WNS as associate in finance and accounting.
Okay.
So we have a insurance company in Mexico, like MMC, Marsh and McLaren Company, and we are handling their money management. They people, they physically do their work like claiming and unclaiming of the employees, and whatever their money management is there, we are handling that in terms of like bank reconciliation, in India, like in India, we have like bank passbook, right? At the end of the month, like we have to match the transactions. So same we do with that, but they have like very different accounts. Like if a employee goes somewhere for travel, so the account is different for that, and like that, there are many different accounts. So we have to handle each of them, and at the end of the month, we have closing time also. So we have to match that balances. So my job is quite interesting, and it is like a research type of job, analysis and research type of job.
Yeah, I find it too complicated, so it's okay. Okay,
It's
so
okay to
I'm
have some
thinking that
knowledge
banking
also.
is, I'm an
Like it's good
FI
to have. I have also completed BBA only, and I don't think BBA is that much hard to study.
Okay, but I'm finding it too hard.
No, no, there is nothing like I have scored just in one night, to be frank.
I'm not Gani like you.
No, no, like BBA is sort of not like engineering, ki we have to mug up all the things. Even if we do group study with the friends, it will always the best because we get to know the opinions of different concepts, and university doesn't accept that we should write the same answer which is there in the textbook. So you can add your points also, so which might the examiner can get impressed and they can give you good marks.
I'm very good in presentation, so I get marks. Nothing new. Okay, so moving towards your next question, question fifth.
Okay.
Here is your question. So, who played the role of main Nagin in the famous TV serial Nagin? Now, as you have said me, you don't watch TV serials. Hope so you still know that because it is so because she is so famous already. Okay, so first option is Moni Roy, B is Anita, C is Pooja Sharma, D is Ada Khan. And your time starts now. Okay, you have two lifelines also. You can use that.
Moni Roy.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
Do you like to check it with audience?
No, no, no.
Oh, that's sure. Oh my God. I loved your confidence.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's check your answer. And you have given a correct answer. Congratulations. You're
Thank
playing
you.
too well. You have completed 5 questions. Good, good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
It is one of the most watched serial in India. You know that? I don't know what is
Yeah,
that.
I have heard the name, and when you like told that she is one of the famous, so I didn't heard that uh, three names. So Moni Roy was quite like confident for me.
Yeah, she is actually. Okay, so I'm also with you. I also don't see any kind of serial. So, but as I'm a designer, I know her. Okay, so let's
Like
proceed
I
towards.
know the you get very less time to interact with parents, वगैरह, like if you are designer.
Yeah, designers life. Let's proceed towards your next question. And here is your question. Question 6. The Ashtavinayak Yatra in Maharashtra covers 8 holy temples of which god? Option A, Ganpati. Option B, Vishnu. Option C, Shiva. Option D, Brahma. And your time starts now.
A Ganpati, Ashtavinayak.
Sure.
Yes, Ashtavinayak Ganpati.
Let's check it with audience. Audience, what do you think? Oh my god. A. A. Everyone is going with A. Okay, okay. Let's check the answer. And the answer is Ganpati. Congratulations, you have crossed one more question.
Thank you.
Before proceeding ahead, I wanted to ask, where do you live?
Pune.
Okay.
You know Varje.
No, I don't know that much in Pune, but
Then
yeah.
you might be knowing Karvenagar Cummins College, which is the most famous in Pune.
I only know only one college, that is soft college, that is for designing.
Then you don't know. If you don't know about Cummins College, then you don't know nothing about Pune.
I don't know nothing. I come to Pune only for playing dole, nothing else.
Oh, then hardly you might getting time to visit Pune.
Yeah, only in Ganpati times.
Oh,
Next,
the Ganpati time is also very good.
it is the best in Pune. I'm experiencing it since 4 years.
Oh, then let
So,
us know whenever you are in
yeah,
Pune.
sure, sure. He'll have a meet surely. So now you might be knowing about PM Care funds, right? I think it's something wrong with his network.
No,
Huh.
no, no.
PM Care
I
funds.
received a Zoom call from another club. So I was like,
Oh, no, but you're giving some time to me, okay?
yes, yes, yes.
So, do you know about PM Care funds?
Yeah, like whatever the donation is done to COVID-19.
So, have you donated some amount?
Yes, yes, I've donated.
So, we have next question on that only. So, let's proceed
Okay.
on next question. It's seventh question. So, which Bollywood actor recently donated a huge sum of 25 crores to PM Care Fund to fight against Corona? So, your option A is Salman Khan. Option B is Hrithik Roshan. Option C is Akshay Kumar. Option D is Amir Khan. And
I
your
read
time
two
starts.
days back only. I read 2 days back only, and the answer is C. Akshay Kumar.
पक्का लॉक कर दिया जाए?
Yes, yes.
Okay, your answer is Akshay Kumar. Congratulations. This was your seventh question, and you have
Okay.
successfully answered all seven questions. Okay, so I just wanted to ask, which is your favorite hero?
I don't like favorite hero and all, but yeah,
Any
but
relation
but right now people are very like giving comments to me like you like Vicky Kaushal and all that all. So like I started following him. So like I can say only Vicky Kaushal that also now recently, but I don't like such any favorite actor actress.
So you don't see movies at all.
Movies I see, but I don't like that. Like I get inspired and motivated by all of them, but not like that I like them and all.
So Vicky Kaushal. Good choice. Okay, I have heard that people call you Vicky Kaushal, as
Yeah,
you
many
clearly said.
that's a good compliment for me actually.
I am pleasure. I'm meeting a duplicate of Vicky Kaushal.
Thank you, thank you. You should be.
It's my pleasure. Okay. So, any questions to me? Because
So
I'm
can
bored
you
with
tell
the
me
question.
about like what exactly designer is like? I have heard that there is very much struggle in that, and I've heard that you are the designer of the year for 2019-20, right?
Yeah, I am designer of the year, but it is an organization, Zane Asia. So they
Okay.
awarded me as a designer of the year. I presented my three costumes there in Mumbai.
Oh, like you might have struggled, like you might have faced many challenges. So can you tell that how you reach that stage?
I didn't slept a whole that week and struggling. I used to go. I used to go. I really. I have. I've traveled a lot. Means gone to Warsaw. I have traveled from metro for the first time when I was doing that show. It was very difficult for me because I took a break from Fashion Fair and then I suddenly joined it, and that too with this big show. And also it was my pleasure that I was awarded at such a big platform. But yeah, there was such a big trouble on me. I used to come back at home at 1 p.m., 2 p.m. My mom used to say, "Why do you come at least just to sleep in my house? Don't come rather." I have heard this too also. Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
It is
that's
not a
good.
trouble, but it is fun.
See, what I want to tell you that people will like judge you in some things, but at at the stage where you are, then if they are really jealous of you, then they will never see they will never ask you like how you have been, like what challenges you have been faced. So that's the best motivation, and I think in life. And sometimes we say that criticism is also good for health. So even if people say, just don't care,
It actually
just achieve
motivates
your goal.
me. I have to.
Exactly.
So let's proceed to your question. Otherwise, the audience will get bored.
Okay, fine.
So, eighth question, which country was not ruled by England? Option A, America. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, China. Option D, India. And your time starts now. You have two lifelines.
C China.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's check with audience what they say. Audience, it's your turn. B, C, China. Everyone is going with China, so let's lock it. What do you say, Vaman?
Yes, China.
Okay.
Sonal is saying China means that is very uh, motivating for me.
Okay, everyone is saying C. So let's lock in, let's check what's the answer. And the answer is C. Actually, there is some mistake, I guess, here. But the answer is C.
Oh,
Yeah, I think any technical issue. Yeah, but the answer is C and you are correct. Congratulations.
thank
Now
you.
you have only two questions to go with. Yeah. So now how do you feel talking to me? Yeah, playing with our club.
Like it's a great initiative. First of all, I would like to say, like people get time on weekends mostly. Like as they are busy in Monday to Friday. I don't know about others, but I am just in general. I am telling that on Sunday, Saturday, Sunday might be like they are very bored from doing work from home. And I think Saturday and Sunday is the best time to do such activities, interacting with different protractors from different club, so that in future if we have to do a project with the club, so it will be easy for us. Ki we have interacted with you, so this that and like it's a good initiative. I liked it.
It is open for all, not only Rotractors. So you can grab any of your friends. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I was about to join yesterday, but due to my job, I was unable to join. But when I saw that Sanskruti, like I was like, she's already like you told your story. So I was like, her question might be some at a different level.
Nothing as such. The whole club has contributed for that question set.
I would like to thank Rotary Club of Kalyan West also, who are there.
Everyone was just sitting and making that question set.
That's too difficult. Like which type of questions you have to set, that also you have to decide.
Yeah, we had distributed in categories. So that was a
Okay.
bit easy part. Then we just grabbed questions from here, there. We grabbed questions from many of the books also.
Oh, like uh you have been through books also,
Not I,
like
but
which you which you
people.
never do.
Yeah, I never go with any books, but not I, our club members. Do you love to read?
No, not at all. Books and me, never in life.
Then how are you so gaggy? Google.
Google, friends, lot of chit chat, gossips.
Oh, you're the gossip person. Then there is no one like me to you then.
Then it will be nice to interacting with you henceforth also.
Yeah, yeah, sure. We are coming with a lot of initiatives. Don't worry, you'll get so many chance to interact with me.
I will be.
Yeah, it would be my pleasure as well.
Now don't
Could
take
we
the name.
proceed? No, let's complete. What were you speaking?
नहीं मतलब you again said that it was pleasure meeting you. Don't take the name again that Vicky Kaushal.
So, do you want me to read the next question or we just
Okay.
talk? Actually, I don't want to
Hey, it's
talk
up.
to me. How mean?
अरे, it's not like that. Like basically, I like to interact with mm, different people.
I have been to Pune and I'm in love with that Dagdu Shet Halwai. Would you like to tell me something about that? I'm very curious of that. It's too good.
That is the first. That is the first place where people come from different cities, and first they ask that, "Huh, I want to visit like Dagdu Shet," and like it's a very famous. And if you in the at the time of Ganpati, if you want to visit, the queue is from morning 4 o'clock, which you do, which you will find very rare to walk in other areas as compared to Dagdu. So much people they are known about it, and not only in Ganpati but in on Chaturdashi and all. People
Any
do visit.
festival related Ganpati.
Exactly. Like even if we are crossing that area, that whenever I am also crossing that area, so I also visit, and after that only I come to home. If I visit that area, then only.
That's good. I go every year almost because I go there for playing dole. So I visit it generally.
Like
That's
people know
amazing.
about like in Pune, if you want to plan uh, to Pune, like you have to plan the things which you have to visit, because there are many things in Pune which can't be like you it can't be over just by 2 days. So if you plan that I want to visit Siahat, like Khadakwasla or like Dagdu Shet, Shaniwar Wada, and other areas. So like that we can plan, and it will be also successful for you. But if you just give me a general statement that no, I want to visit Pune but I have only 2 days, so it will also be difficult for me to plan like which area like you have to visit. And nightlife Pune is very famous, as the people know.
I know. Hey, have you visited Mumbai before?
No, in the only first time, that is only in the month of March.
Okay, you have visited only once.
That was the first time, and my first local experience. It was also for the first time. I have never been through locals, because I have my own vehicle, so I never like thought of it. Like even if like when we were coming to Mumbai also, like uh, uh, like Sonal told that you have to like you can come by local also. Well, I local how? So she said that like you can Pragati Express at 8 o'clock, then it will reach there, and after that she gave me some rules, and you might be knowing the great famous stud Rohan Kulkarni.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
So I was like, I told him, "Ki bro, we can travel by local." So he is like, no, I am not comfortable in local. I will not stand in the general, and I will not come. Well, what? Uh, okay, sorry. Then
No,
I was, I
no,
was like, how person you are? Like he was like, no, I like to travel comfortably. So we will travel by car only. So okay, fine. I am fine with car also, and I'm fine with local also.
local. Local here
So
is like
and first of all, we decided like to go to travel by bus. So I was like wasting 400, 500 just to just traveling by bus. And if you travel by local, it will hardly take 100 to 150 rupees, and you are spending 600. So he was like, no, I want comfortness. Bola, I don't know when what in what you want comfortness. Bola, okay, fine.
Good, good. How was your experience? It was good. How
Yeah,
did
it
you
was
like?
it was very good. Mumbai, I liked it, but the time was very less. So I visited
Okay.
only few places, but the overall uh, journey for 2 days, that was most memorable, and I am still missing that club. Like, and they were going to come in the next weekend,
But this
and
lockdown, I know.
lockdown and corona,
No worries, no
this
worries.
made us.
Let's proceed to next question now because our audience are getting bored, I guess.
Okay.
So your next question is, which among the following are the three types of services engaged in Constitution of India? So
Okay.
option A is Navy service, Air Force service, and Army service. Option B
Hmm.
is civil service, military service, and paramilitary service. Option
Hmm.
C is all Indian services, central services, and state services. Option D is first grade services, second grade services, and third grade services. So your time starts now. I know this question is a bit complicated.
No, a bit complicated, but if I take a hint, uh, I will directly not give you the explanation. I will give you the explanation afterwards. So I will go with the option C.
Pakka?
Yes.
Let's check what audience say because I am sitting in front of Gyani. I don't know how Gyani is our viewers. Guys, what's your opinion on this question? कोई है जिंदा? हाँ,
My
I
friend
can
is not
see
able to
the
see the
question.
question.
Now can you? Are you able to see? Vaman, are you able to
Yes,
see?
yes, yes, yes. And I gave you the answer also.
Yeah. Can I repeat? Okay, I can. Which among the following are the three types of services envisaged in the Constitution of India? Please display the question. I've already displayed. So this is the question. Can you read it once? Yeah, I can. Which among the following are the three types of services envisaged in the Constitution of India? The first option is Navy service, Air Force service, and Army service. Option B is civil service, military service, and paramilitary service. Option C is all India services, central services, and state services. Option D is first grade service, second grade service, and third grade service. You're waiting for your answer. Your timer has already started.
Yeah, I
Come
gave
on.
my answer.
Not you, yeah. Now let me check how Gyani are my viewers. No Gyani here. D. Other. Okay, so B. Everyone is telling B, Vaman.
I will go with C.
Oh, it's so confident, wow. See, I have 4 to 5 people going with B. Vaman, do you want to change it? No, I'm not getting you allowed to change it, but still,
Which lifeline I'm having?
you have two lifelines, that is 50-50, and one is you can skip the question and I'll give you another question.
I will go with 50-50 lifeline.
Okay, 50-50. So I would remove option A and option D. You have option B and C.
Option?
B and C.
Obviously, option C.
Pakka.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so lock कर दिया जाए. Let's check the answer. And it is option C. Congratulations. You seem so Gyani, man. I mean, how can you answer such a complicated? I mean, it is really a complicated because when
No,
I was reading,
actually, like I want to give explanation for that.
okay,
When I read that the last line Constitution of India,
hmm,
so civil service, military service, army service that contributes to India. That I am not saying that it is not contributing, but somewhere even my friends are also doing UPSC right now.
okay,
So I am also getting like some things getting like they are we are talking about. So I think it's just still military or that kind of things. If we are talking of India, then uh, central and state services must also include.
I bow down to you means you are a genius. Truly.
So it was a guess, but not. I can't say right guess, but yeah, I thought of it for a few seconds and then I guessed it. And when you told answer is, or we have option D and C, then I was pretty confident that the option is C only.
Good. So I guess this is your last answer, last question for the day. And if
So I
you
think we would like to talk some different things.
know what I was telling, ki if you just are successful in giving this answer, then you would be our finalist. So are you
Oh,
excited for the last question?
yeah, why not?
Okay, you would be the day two finalist.
Oh,
So do you want me to proceed or you just want to talk with me?
yeah, I can talk with you. Like only one question is remaining. That's okay for
Oh,
me.
yeah,
Like
let's
you
talk.
can ask me now, question.
Or I'm asking since such a long time.
See, you asked me about road track journey, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
no,
s-
you.
huh. So road track journey began with like my sister is in road track club of Pune Warje.
Okay.
So I was not that active at that time ki baba to join some social service club and all. I was like just enjoy with friends, chill maro, ye karo, wo karo, and my sister like she said that just experience a different thing in life. Bola, okay, chalo. Then we had a like tree plantation event. So like I went there and it was like good for me. I felt good. And when I saw ki like after few months when I saw ki it's not about only social service, we can
Yeah.
get many different things from road track. So if you are lacking in any like stage fear, PowerPoint presentation, whatever it may be, it may be a small thing. Even a small thing can like distract your life. So you can't say that it's a small thing or a big thing. So when they first asked me to give my introduction, I was like, I have to give introduction in front of so many unknown members. So it was bit like very uncomfortable for me for the first time. So the way I started communicating with the different members, different road tractors, and in start I was like, I don't know anyone apart from the club, so I will not attend the events. So I was like, my other members, they used to go to district events and all, and I used to attend the club level meetings, whatever the events and all. And this all happened, and after that, my last year, like I was in third year, which was very crucial for me. So I have been in very bad phases of my life. So I wanted to complete that first. So graduation, completing graduation was the first priority for me. So I was totally distracted from that road track. That I told the president that this is the thing. So he was like, okay, fine, you can come in between, but well, okay, fine. Then as I was focusing only in one thing, so I got the result also, good results. I got placed through college, so which was the very good thing for me, because there are many offline jobs where you have to roam around and you have to search for the job, and if you get your job related to your profile, then only you will think, because there are lakhs of job in India, but doesn't mean that it is all suitable for you. So you have to search for it, appropriate job, and if you get, then you will try. And when you give the interview, the HR can ask you any questions not related to the specialization, but apart from the specialization also. So this kind of and one question is that whenever we give very good answers, but at the end, HR says that okay, we will let you know, which is like very bad.
I can
I,
understand that.
so we are just waiting for that mail, ki when will that come? When will that come? So it didn't happen with me. So I successfully got placed through campus only, and I got jobs. So, and from that year, I started the road track again. Which from that day, I became so active that I was like, no, I will take a very good post, as I am very good in communicating. Not 100%, but yeah, I can communicate with different road tractors as well. So my first post was sergeant at arms.
Oh my
So
God.
and after that I was ISD, International Service Director. So I was like,
Wow.
the post itself says the International Service Director, and you have many duties and responsibilities which is assigned to you.
Yes.
So what I think in Rotract is, if you enjoy the ISD post, you can handle any post in Rotrack, because ISD is like we have to conduct the project all over the world, and we have to interact with different Rotractors as well, because they sometimes they give replies, they don't. So taking follow up about their, so it's a very pretty difficult job. Like people are like, "Hey, if he's not replying, then why should I care?" So I didn't think about much when I was in road track. I took I always follow up for 2 times, 3 times, and I used to report to president. So president is like, okay, fine. So ISD post gave me like many contacts all over the world, and I did many projects with many different clubs, and your club as well, which is the most active. club, I think, and your community service director, Sonal Jadhav. She's so I saw like the efforts she took. It was tremendous, like
Okay, just a second. Let
texting.
me turn on commenting. Let her also comment.
Okay.
Sonal, I don't know where is she. Let me check. She is online. No, she is not with us, I guess.
Okay, fine, no worries.
She missed it. So let me proceed
So
to the next question.
yes, yes.
Do you want to continue?
No, like that's what I told that like I saw ki the way she took the efforts she gave.
Ah, she's back.
So the way she took efforts like texting everyone from two different retractors and even communicating with me as well when I am at job. So our coordination was like it has become very nice in very few months. So you know the phrase "unexpected are the best ones." So that kind of thing that has happened with me. So she never said that you are not doing that thing. You are not doing that thing. So she was a like she is a great retractor, and whenever we came there, you were also continuously busy in your events also, which you donated sanitary napkins
Yeah,
on Women's Day.
yes.
So you are always busy in doing some of the other. And even we proudly told our club that we attended the event on Women's Day, and Rotary Club of Kalyan West has donated sanitary napkins, and at that time we were also there. So that was a very proud moment for us. Like we came for ICY also, and even we attended the meeting also, enjoyed lot of things also. The memories are very less as I will describe. So if I start talking, I think it will take 2 to 3 days also. Then also our talk will not.
It was our pleasure meeting you. We expect you once again here. Please come
Yes,
here
yes, sure,
one
sure.
more time. We would love to enjoy with you.
Yes, yes,
Let's
sure.
moving to your next question. Let's not forget that. Thank you, Aman. Look at her. Okay, moving to your last question. Which part of the eye is donated during eye donation? Option A, oh, X. Option A, retina. Option B, cornea. Option C, lens. Option D, whole eye. And your time starts now. Okay,
The
so
answer is cornea. B cornea.
let me check the answer. Are you there, Vaman?
Yes, yes, I'm there.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Okay, let's check the answer. And you have given a correct answer. Congratulations. So you are a second finalist.
Thank
So
you.
how are you feeling? I'm turning on the comments now.
It's a great
How are you?
feeling that that's what I told. Like if we are able to recollect all the things which was like past, we can say in very few years. So, like, yeah, like it's like our brain is still working.
In this lockdown period also it is working.
Arey,
Congratulations.
lockdown is very. I'm totally
Okay, I
quarantined.
have one question with no option. When is this lockdown getting over, yaar?
No, I can't. Like, see, true. Frankly speaking, it is totally depend on the people. If they if
Mm,
they take if they take care of themselves, then I don't think that Modi will take another chance to announce that lockdown will be going to
extended.
extend. Because now we can see the people in Pune ki they are still roaming here and there, and they are not taking care of themselves.
Yeah, so let's sign it off because we are lacking with time. So yeah,
Okay,
it was my pleasure playing with you. Now
it
see you
was
in
nice.
final.
So can I know when will be the final?
We'll let you know.
Because I can't give proper commitment that I will be there for final or not. So today it was Saturday. I was having time, so I joined it. But
No.
if you let me 2 to 3 days before, I will plan my schedule in that way.
Sure, sure, sure. I'll let you know. Okay, bye.
Chalo, bye bye. Take care. Stay
Bye.
home.
Yes,
Stay safe.
bye. Stay home, stay safe.
Yes. Bye.
Okay, guys. So we'll also be tomorrow with our host Sona Zada. So let's see who would be our next finalist. Bye. Till that, stay home, stay safe.